Welcome to Yonikam Butchery. We are located at stall number 56 at City Market, and today we're here with a new recipe for you. We shall make a very simple chicken curry. We're using some chicken wings today, and we have already cleaned and cut the wings into biteable pieces like this, and then we have separated these pieces from our tips here. We shall be using this to make some chicken stock that we're going to use in our curry. So the first thing we want to do is to season our wings with some salt, and then we shall also be using some black pepper, and then we are going to make sure those are well coated, and we shall be pan searing this, and then we shall make our curry. So the first thing we want to do is to make our chicken stock, and I'm going to show you how we do that. It's very simple. So we're going to add our wings from the wing tips that we have, just that, and then we are going to add some vegetable scraps, so some onion, carrots, and green pepper, and then we're going to cover this with water. And we're just going to let that simmer for about 40 minutes, and then we shall have chicken stock that we can use in our chicken wings. The first step in making our chicken curry is to brown our chicken wings. So we're going to add some oil to this pan. Then just spread that around. And then we're going to start adding our chicken wings. We just want them to get a nice color, and in the same pan we shall be making the sauce that's going to finish the curry. So now we flip our chicken and then let it cook also on the other side. So we take this out, and then we'll finish the rest of the chicken. You just want to get a nice color, just to seal in the juices so that the chicken doesn't lose a lot of its juices as we continue to cook it. So in the same pan while we browned our chicken, we're going to add some onions, and then some ginger and garlic, and we're just going to toss this together for a few minutes until our onions are nice and soft. So when you're building a curry, you need to add a lot of flavor to, your sauce that you're going to have in the end. So we have our garlic, our ginger, our onions. We are going to go in with some tomato paste as well, about 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Mix that in. And we're going to build up our flavors one on top of the other. Now we're going to add in some chicken masala, some curry powder, and a chicken cube. And we mix this in. This is a very simple curry. You can make it in a few minutes, and it's very delicious. Now we are going to go in with some diced tomatoes. There are about 2 large diced tomatoes. Add those in. Then we're going to cover this and let those tomatoes break down. So our chicken stock is now ready. We're going to just strain this off, and whatever the liquid we're left with is what we're going to add to our chicken in our curry. So you can see here our tomatoes have broken down nicely. We are now going to add our chicken back to the pan. And just mix this in. And then we're going to add our chicken stock. Not too much, just enough to cover the chicken about halfway. Then we're going to cover this, let it simmer on medium heat until our chicken is cooked. So our chicken is slowly simmering here. It's almost ready. And our sauce is also thickening up. So at this point, I'm going to add some diced green bell pepper. And just let it continue for a few more minutes and we shall be ready to serve. So our chicken is pretty much done at this point. We're just going to check for seasoning, maybe add a little bit of salt, and then we're going to serve it. Today we shall be serving with some chapati and some mixed vegetables. And you can serve it with rice, with ugali. It's very simple, as you can see, and very delicious. Sauce is ready. We're just going to serve this with some chapati. Make sure to get some of that delicious curry that we made. And we're also going to serve this with some mixed vegetables that we have here. So some carrots and some green beans. Then we garnish with some parsley. And there we have it, some chicken curry, which we've made with chicken wings, chapati, and mixed vegetables. Remember, we are located at stall number 56 at City Market, and that is Danicam Butchery.